Shamai, I'm going to compare strings today. This bass has got flat-wound strings and this bass has got round-wound strings. I really want to do this comparison because I really want to put flat-wound strings on this bass, so I thought it'd be nice to do the comparison because they're identical basses. They're both Kala SB solid body U basses. Okay, round wounds to start with. You've got a metal core and the actual winding is round, hence the name. You can hear noise from round wound strings a lot more. So they tend to have a much brighter sound and they sustain a lot more, especially when they're new, like these strings. They are tougher on your fingers, but your fingers get tougher faster using these compared to flat wound strings. You'll find round wound strings being played in all different styles and genres of music, but especially rock, metal, thrash, pop, slap. I'm not demonstrating slap. I've got arthritis in my thumb these days, I'm afraid. So that's round wounds, noisier, rougher on the fingers, but brighter, more sustain, and definitely more used in things like rock music. So the flat wound strings, very, very smooth to touch. It's a flat winding around the core on these. So you really don't get very much noise at all, and they're a lot softer on your fingers. Having said that though, it takes quite a while longer for your fingers to harden up after playing these, okay? So if you're going from flat wounds to round wounds, you are going to notice a difference on your fingers. Bit more expensive, in fact a lot more expensive, the flat wounds, but they last a lot longer. And totally different to play. Sound wise, you get a much deeper, fuller sound, but you do lose a little bit of that sustain. I'm not going to lie, I quite actually like that. And you'll find flat wounds playing soul music, rhythm and blues, jazz, reggae. But of course you can play rock, thrash, metal on flat wound strings as well. And that's what the flat wounds sound like. Very little noise, very smooth under your fingers. You get a much fuller, deeper, thuddier sound, I suppose, but you do lose some of that sustain. And for reference, these flat wounds have been on this bass at least a couple of years now. and they sound pretty much the same as when I first put them on there. So that's a little bit of information about the Flatwounds and the Roundwounds. Quick little demos. Now then, when I was doing those demos, the overhead microphone was on purpose, so you could hear some of the noise coming off the instruments as well. What we're going to do now is some straight demos, straight into my audio equipment, where you're not going to hear anything except for the direct bass signal. And I gotta say, it's going to be quite interesting to hear the difference between the Flatwounds and the Roundwounds on the same instrument. Right, so that's some proper sound demos of the Flatwounds and the Roundwounds. So a deeper, fuller sound, but maybe a little bit less sustain on the Flatwounds, with a brighter tone and definitely more sustain on the Roundwounds, but Roundwound strings go duller quickly. They don't last as long as the Flatwounds. Just as well, because the Flatwounds tend to be a lot more expensive than the Roundwounds. But it really is subjective. It depends on what instrument you play, what styles of music, what you prefer under your fingers as well. There is no right or wrong answer, which is better, which is worse. It is entirely up to you. Me, I prefer Flatwounds. Mainly, I started off as a double bass player, and so I had very, very smooth strings to start with. Also, I've always played fretless as well, and fretless basses work particularly well with Flatwound strings because you're not getting any sound. Sometimes you can get a little bit of sound off a flat fretless fingerboard when you put Roundwounds on it, and even get a bit of marking, but not where you've got Flatwounds. Having said that though, these days I do prefer Flatwounds on all my basses. But it is really subjective, and it's what you like. Not what I like, what you like. So there we go, that is Flatwounds versus Roundwounds on identical instruments, the same brand of strings as well. Yeah, it's been an interesting one. I do hope you've enjoyed this. If you'd like to support me here on the channel, I have got a Patreon site. I'll pop a link in the description below. As always though, if you've got any comments or questions, please feel free, leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.